Hi, when you're doing project at home or on your job site, sometimes you're using two saws, for example, miter saw and table saw in same time. So you need to switch fast vacuum hose from one saw to another saw. And in this video I show you how to make a dust splitter. To make the splitter you need to buy two blast gates. Linked on Amazon, you can find in video description. So how to make it? For this project you need tools: ruler, screwdriver, drill. If you have a Fein Multimaster or Dremel as well, and miter box with saw, glue for ABS plastic. First of all, we have to disassemble this blast gate. Here is three parts: back side, slider and front side. Take screwdriver and put between back side and front side. Don't rush, it's easy to break. Okay, now we have three different parts. Take another one and do the same way. Okay, so now we disassemble those. So we take front side, and here is two sides. One side is closed, another one is open. So we have to measure for this closed side. Take the ruler and measure 3 inch and 3/4. And then from another side, 3 inch and 3/4. Okay. Then make line. Okay. Here we have to cut off this part. Take another one and make same line. Take this miter box, put in miter box this blast gate. Here is exactly line what we have to cut, and then start cutting. One. Same, cut another one. So we have two parts, and now we have to glue it together. For this we have to take ABS glue, put glue on this side, and then attach it. Put ruler on this one side to make it nice and straight, and push it to the ruler, just like hold it. So it's take time when it's glued together. Leave it for dry. It's take approximately half an hour, and we can do another two parts. For this two back parts we have to make this frame. How to do it? First of all, we have to measure from side 1/2 inch. and then make lines. Here it's more precise. Okay, take the saw and cut one. Two. And this side I can cut with fan. I need clean up a little bit after fan because we have here some part which left. So okay, we have one side. Now we have to do the same from another side. So let's finish the frame. Just take one piece and put it inside. Okay? So take another one and put just little on side, because we have to see the end right here, and here another one. Now we have to cut this and this off. Just take the saw, oops. Okay. Oh, now it's fit. So we have to glue these two parts. Just take this this frame and so glue not much. Put it together. And put ruler here. that's it. Okay, we can leave it for half an hour when it's dry. Now we have to make slider. Slider from two parts. These two parts we can make from this leftover. When we make frame, it's left this piece. It should be this one. And this plate we can make from original slider. This. So just put this slider. It's approximately, just a second. This slider is 3.5. Okay, we can measure 3.5. And from this side 3.5. Make line. Okay, so from this side to this line 3.5. Now we have to cut it. Okay. Then need to cut this side. I wanna keep it before I make this hole. First of all, we have to find center. Так. Давай. Then we have to take drill and make hole. Oops. So now we have this hole, little messy. Okay. And then we have to add this piece, and size should be three, and here is 3 by 3. Okay, so here is we have 3 already, and need to measure from this side 3, and this side 3. Okay, here 3, and then okay, so need to make a line. Here is line. Take a pen. It's fast. Cut. And this side, this corner little, just make it little bevel. It's important. Then here make it nice bevel. Okay, so and last cut we have to cut this part out. Okay. Okay. Clean up. Little bevel. We can make it. Okay, nice. Now we have to glue these two parts together. Take the glue. Okay, and you have to leave it for half an hour, maybe more, maybe an hour. Now we have three parts. This is front, this is frame, and this slider. How it's work? Slider we have to put inside, and this frame, it's called this slider. So if you see now, if we connect vacuum from this side, oh sorry, we have connect saw from this side and vacuum connect from other side. This is now open. If it's from, it's for example miter saw here, connection here. So if you need to switch to a table saw, just go like this. Easy to slide. If it's stable, stay on cyclone or vacuum, you just by finger slide like this. Sorry, slide to another side. Now I can glue it. How to glue it? This is not should be glued. It should be freely slide. Need to glue only this part. And we have to glue it very little glue exactly on this corner. Be very careful. So I take it out and clean up glue from here. Just very and just very accuracy. Try to be very accuracy. Okay. Okay. If you have fan, you can dry it more fast. If you don't have fan, keep it for a few hours. When it's dry, you can enjoy. So very simple tool, but if you work at home and doing some mill work or renovation, it saves your time. If you work on job site, these little tools save your money. Very easy. So this is 5th generation of my dust splitter. Was so many of different, but this is the most simple and very useful. Thank you for watching. Now it was here, slide, now it was there.